Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you are preparing for the PT academic test, you know that the fill in the blank question in the reading and writing section can make or break your score. But don't worry, today I am sharing 6 master strategies that will help you tackle these questions like a pro. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Strategy number 1. Understand the context. Before you start filling the blanks, read the entire passage carefully. Look for overall tone, subject, and main idea. This will give you clues about what type of words fit logically and grammatically. For example, if the text is about technology, the vocabulary will likely be related to innovation or science. Strategy number 2. Focus on grammar. Pay close attention to the grammatical structure of the sentence. Ask yourself, is the blank preceded by an article such as a or an? Does it need a noun, verb, or adjective? For instance, if the blank comes after the, you are likely looking for a noun. Mastering these patterns can save you time and boost accuracy. Strategy number 3. Collocations are key. Collocations are word pairs that naturally go together, like make a decision or strong commitment. The PT loves testing this, so build your vocabulary by studying common collocations. If you are not sure about a blank, think of words that typically pair well with the surrounding words. This strategy works like a magic. Strategy number 4. Use process of elimination. Sometimes the best way to find the right answer is to eliminate the wrong words. Look for options that don't fit the context, grammar, or tone. Cross out what doesn't fit and you'll have fewer options to choose from. Strategy 5. Build your vocabulary. Having a strong vocabulary will make it easier to recognize the correct words from the blank. Make flashcards, use apps, or read articles related to common PT topics like health, education, and technology. The more words you know, the faster and more accurately you'll answer. Finally, the master strategy. Practice. There's no substitute for regular practice. Use reliable PT practice platforms like Gurully, where you can get instant feedback and AI scoring. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel on the test day. Let's recap the 6 strategies. Number 1. Understand the context. Number 2. Grammar is your friend. Number 3. Collocations are key. Number 4. Use process of elimination. Number 5. Build your vocabulary. And the 6th one, which is master strategy. Practice, practice, and practice. Follow these steps and you'll ace in the filling the blank section. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips that can give you an extra edge. Number 1. The answer to a blank is often located in the following line. If you are unsure, read ahead to discover clues that might help you. Number 2. When in doubt, skip the blank and keep reading. The broader context often becomes clearer as you progress, and you can revisit the blank afterward. Number 3. Take a wild guess and try inserting it into the blank to check if it aligns with grammar or collocations. Testing an option within the sentence can sometimes reveal whether it fits naturally or not. Thanks for watching. If you found this strategy helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your study buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more PT expert tips. See you in the next video and good luck with your PT plan.